Hello everyone, this is Nathaniel Gibson bringing to you my Week 2 multimedia discussion board on the variables within my program design. So as a brief presentation overview, I'm going to share with you a brief overview of the program of my choice as well as the problems that it's trying to solve. Then I'm going to go into what the variables are within my program evaluation design for the assignment, and then I'm going to wrap up then with the categories and the definitions of each of those variables. So I actually this week have switched up my program selection for this class as I needed to find something that was not trying to solve a lack of something as my old program. The new program that I've chosen is called Advanced Peace, and I'm collaborating on this project with a couple of classmates, and it's going to allow me to answer the data analysis questions for each of our assignments. So a brief overview of the program and what it's trying to solve is reducing gun-related homicides within at-risk communities. And the program is specifically called Peacemaker Fellowship. And the program specifically is focused on investing in the development, the health, and the well-being of those at the center of the gun violence crisis. Its programs and outcomes have also pointed out the potential cost savings that can exist as a result of the fewer gun violence fatalities and/or injuries related to these events. For the simplicity of gathering data for this program evaluation design, I will be focusing on building and the evaluation of the program's impact on Sacramento County. So, taking a look at the scope of the program, in 2019 there were 78 homicides approximately. Of those homicides, 53 involved a firearm of some type, and approximately 68 of those 78 were involved victims younger than 18, and 72 were 18 and older. So this leads right into the variables I'm going to be using to create an evaluation design for the program. My dependent variable is the number of gun-related homicides in Sacramento County. And my two independent variables are the age of the victims, as well as the individuals who are participating in the outreach program. So the dependent variable is classified as an interval ratio variable because it is split into several different categories, that being the number of gun violence related fatalities, and it has ranking among those, basically the increasing numbers, and then each of those intervals, the numbers increasing, are equal with each additional number added on top of that. So the intervals between each of those numbers is the same. The independent variables, starting with the age of victims, is a nominal variable because the data is split into different categories, but it's just a comparison and not an actual, there's no ranking among the different categories. It's just individuals who are younger than 18 and then those who are older than 18. And then the other independent variable is the Peacemaker program, or in the active participation within it. And that's also a nominal variable, and the category definition just involves the individuals who were either participants in the program or not. So also just a categorical design where it's a simple distinction between two different categories, but not an actual ranking of them. So in conclusion, that wraps up a discussion of the different variables that I'll be using in my program evaluation design. And here I've listed a website link that allows you to take a look at the program a little bit further if you would like. Look forward to listening to your guys' discussion boards. Thank you.